What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you're notified every time I upload a new video. So today is Halloween. Happy Halloween. I don't know when you're gonna see this video, probably after Halloween, but we're doing it on Halloween because I've had this stuff for a while and I just haven't done it. But I really want to be consistent on YouTube. That's like my main platform that I lack on, but I know I can be like successful on it. I just lack. I don't know why. But we're trying. I'm literally filming a video while uploading a video and downloading footage to my laptop right now. So trying to like multitask in like every aspect that I can. But we're going to be doing a costume try-on haul today. I did get these costumes from Party City about like really right before they closed. And they were having some good sales. So I snatched up what I could. And I swear I had more, but I don't know what happened to them. Like I just lost everything that I had. Anyways, let me go get them and we'll show you guys what we're going to be trying. I'm going to be trying these on. I am doing something completely different than these costumes when we do go out later. So I'm doing something completely different for Halloween if I do end up dressing up. I think I will for like the memories, for the pictures, blah, blah, blah. My daughter's going to be Minnie Mouse and then I'm going to be Minnie Mouse and Juju's supposed to be Mickey Mouse. But I feel like she's not going to put the costume on. So if she doesn't, I'm snatching them. Anyway, so I'm going to try and be quick with it, but we have a black bunny suit that we're going to be trying on. I already opened it and it's over there. I have the bunny ears right here, so we're going to have that custom. We also have a cosmic cowgirl, and I hope these fit me. I don't know what size they are, but I did open up one of the sizes on one, and they were like a petite size. Like that thing was not going to fit me. And then we have basically to me evil spirit, but like really like an evil cheerleader. So we're gonna start with the bunny one first and see what it looks like. Okay, so this is the first costume, being the bunny, I guess, and it's actually way cuter than I was expecting. Like it's so freaking cute. I'm trying to like, let's see if I can move like the camera's better. Maybe I'll turn this on. Oh, a little bit. You can kind of tell. I think the camera is like different than, or maybe it's because I'm facing. Lighting's way better this way, and I think it's actually hella cute. I've seen on the costume people wearing like actual like black bras underneath, but honestly, I don't own any bras like actual wired bras, whatever they are. I've been wearing sports bras. Anyways, this one's cute. What do you think? I'm gonna let Gigi rate them anyways because she's right there holding the baby.
I like that one.
Yeah, this one's so cute.
Yeah, I give it like a 9.5 out of 10.
Right? What would make it a 10? If I had booty. Anyways, this is me and my mother in the background, as you can tell. Pretty sure she's proud of her daughter. Anyways, I really want to wear this too. I'm not gonna like I'm feeling myself in it. I was putting it on and I was like, shit, like I got fat, like it's not fitting me. And it actually like fit me. Maybe it's supposed to fit you like tight. But this one's cute. I'm gonna go take some pics real quick and maybe a video for IG and Facebook. And if you are not following me on Facebook already, go follow me on Facebook. I'm really consistent on there and I'm trying to get to 100,000 followers. I'm at 84,000 right now, so make sure you go follow me there. Let me go pull up my Facebook.
Hi, cutie girl.
83,996 followers right now on Halloween. So I'm probably gonna hit 84 anytime now. So hopefully we can get to like 100K in a few weeks. We'll see.
She's better.
Anyways, so here's my Facebook page. Go follow me there. I don't ever be linking my stuff on here. Let me go to my Instagram. Maybe nobody follows me there. My Instagram, and kind of post on TikTok like here and there. I try to post like not any. It's more like, what do you think the content is there?
It's just random. I'm not gonna
random, yeah. But here's our TikTok, so you can go follow us on TikTok as well. So this is this costume. Let me BRB really fast and take pictures of it. Okay, so I guess this one is a 9.5. I tried taking pictures, but oh, it's so hard taking pictures. Anyways, I'm gonna move on to Probably the Cosmic Cowgirl, so I'll be back. The Cosmic Cowgirl. I don't know how I feel about this one. It's different, but reminder, these are all from Party City when they're open. I'm pretty sure these are still at like Spirit Halloween. You can find them anywhere, honestly. I'm pretty sure. But here's the Cosmic Cowgirl. Now I'm gonna have to do look. Okay, look at me.
You're right there. Why is the bra underneath?
Because I don't want to take it off. What do you think of this one?
Like a 6.
Let me put myself back over here. Okay, so you give this one a 6?
Yeah.
Why?
The color.
Yeah, it's like weird. The material feels weird though. But what the hell is a Cosmic Cowgirl anyways? What is it supposed to be? I don't know. Not for me though. I really like the other one though. Try not to make a mess at all because we just literally deep cleaned the other day and it took us forever. If you have a baby, huh?
You did?
We did.
We did?
What do you mean? You're trying to say I didn't help or something?
I don't think so.
That's crazy. Let me get to it. Anyways, when you have a baby, especially like a little one, like she's just got off the newborn stage, it's so hard to do anything, especially because she has like crying syndrome. I swear, she cries so freaking much. So we cleaned the other day. We did, because I helped clean. Anyways, gotta keep it clean. Now we're gonna move on to Evil Spirit. It looks like a cheerleader anyways. So I'm just gonna throw it on. Ready? 1, 2, 3. The Evil Spirit one, cheerleader to me, like I guess like an evil cheerleader. I personally don't like it. It's just like really because I'm like my body type right now. I did literally just have a baby 2 months ago. So I'm not really feeling it in how it's fitted and like how tight it is, like right here. So like here's like the side of it, 360. I don't like it, but I think my overall favorite one was the first one, the bunny. And I feel like Juju can agree as well. So I'm gonna get her opinion on this one. But I already know we're not gonna like it. Like, I don't know. I used to be a cheerleader and be like, oh, I think it was like 5, 6. No, it was like 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we're gonna get her reaction. You're not gonna like this one. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm gonna like this. Give me an A! Think of me.
I like the first one.
Yeah, okay. I don't be joke. Like, if I acted the way I acted off camera, I don't know. I feel like I act pretty. Yeah, right? I act different, huh?
Yeah. You're psycho.
No, but I'm low-key kind of funny. Anyways, I joke a lot. So we don't like this one. And yeah, so that's the costume try and haul for this.
That's all the costumes you bought?
From Party City.
I thought we got more of them.
I can't find them. I don't know what happened to them. This is it from like Party City. What are you looking at? From a Party City from a while back, and you know we don't like it. Anyways, maybe next year we'll have different costumes. Just kidding. I'm gonna be doing more costumes and more try-on hauls. And we're gonna like incorporate try-on hauls, drifting, car like installs on whatever I'm doing. What else? There's like a bunch of stuff that
we have a whole board of like.
Yeah, we have a board, but I'm gonna do a mixture of everything because not everybody likes try-on hauls. Not everybody likes the car content. Like I'm just gonna do literally everything and try my best to do everything. So you're gonna see a mixture of literally everything. Like today I'm gonna be posting my drifting video that I haven't even drifted or like did donuts in years. Like it's been so long. I did do it in my Corvette like 1 or 2 times, but I didn't like beat on it because I was scared of blowing it again and don't want to pay to fix it again. So it's been a while.
Yeah, do they remember your drift?
What else? I don't know, but I'm gonna bring back the drifting, and we have a
We were gonna sell the
bunch.
G, and then she was like, "Let me go swing it," and she swung it, and she decided.
Yeah, I was literally gonna sell it, so you might see it on Facebook Market, but I'm not selling it now. I'm gonna keep it and build it. So we have a bunch of ideas.
Yeah, this was Alyssa's all drift car. I know you guys remember that from like 2022, right? Because I mentioned
That's a long time ago. So I did have a drifty. I'm pretty sure if you're like OG, whatever.
We ported it out, got rid of it in 2023.
Yeah.
Yeah, but she didn't want a Z no more. So
I feel like, in my opinion, I feel like the Z's are like kind of overrated now. With like the drift community, I feel like everybody has a Z and they use it as a drift car. And that was once me. I'm not hating. That was once me. But I want something different now. And I feel like, yeah, there probably is people who have like G35s, but I really don't see that many. Maybe because I'm not like in like the drift community like that yet. But I do have a car in mind that I do want to get. But gotta find one first. Anyways, that's it for this try-on haul and me yapping. If you guys want to see more try-on hauls or anything else you want to see, comment down below and I'll give it to you. Anyways, bye.